Today I remade Melon's name, Melon Jr. Pumpkin, Tony, Apple. Let's see who misbehaves. What's now though? Let's go to McDonald's first for breakfast. I dare you not to pull the alarm again. Because you got a little grounded for your 3 days. Okay. This is the chair. This is the chair where I'm gonna sit. Hey, just come on, not die. Just come on, not. It's breakfast. Then Amy so way for breakfast. Darcy relative, you can sit in my. Okay, Melon Jr., you have to sit in my lap. No, I don't wanna. Yes, you need to do it now. Okay, fine then. Punches Pumpkin. Ow. First right. You punched Pumpkin so hard. Who's not having breakfast as one of these foods? Because they are already food. So they'll just relax and smoke or vape. A spare for you. One day left. Okay guys, so it's Friday, but you don't have no half a day, so sadly. So you have to take your math. So you need to show us your homework. If you get A+, you're done. Can I go to the bathroom? Yes, you can. Why, I can now go. Anyways, the bathroom is in the stairs. I didn't now do that. I'm gonna put a firework. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Warning, there's a fire wheel. Oh, guys, you have to be safe. Beep, 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 beep. There's a fire wheel. And what down? Beep, 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 beep. There's a fire wheel. Beep, beep. When they got home, Melon Jr., you were grounded. You were grounded for 7 hours because you put the fire on. And what Pumpkin Jr. in your room too, because it's us in his room, because he's gonna relax and his PC computer. I don't need the PC computer. Those too big without any emotion. Bye.